keep your home as clean as possible by hiring domestic cleaners. Your house is one of your greatest and most valued belongings. In any case, it can get incredibly disturbing rapidly. You are going all through your home day by day following in earth from the outside. This on top of routinely eating, washroom use, and on the off chance that you have youngsters, an assortment of different wrecks can prompt a wreck that is difficult for you to deal with. At the point when you blend your day-by-day cleaning needs with working a work, being a parent, and a public activity, it tends to be almost difficult to complete it all. This is the point at which it is essential to start considering recruiting an expert cleaner to support you. Obviously, the most compelling motivation to keep any space clean is for cleanliness. Having a spotless home can help bring down the measures of microorganisms and undesirable germs discovered there. This can enormously decrease the dangers of your family getting sick, which is critical during the cold and influenza season. At the point when an expert handles this cleaning, it guarantees that your day-to-day environments stay sterile for you and your family. Something else to consider is the point at which you are first moving into another home. This is a very purchases time in your life, which can make it amazingly hard for you to discover time to completely clean your new home prior to moving in. You can recruit a group to deal with a profound clean of your new home for you while you center around more significant assignments. You can likewise do likewise in the event that you are moving out of a home or a condo to assist you with getting your well-being store. Likewise, it very well may be hard for you to deal with the profound cleaning of your home on the off chance that you are not knowledgeable about doing as such. On the off chance that this is your first home all alone, you may have never taken care of the upkeep all alone previously. An expert will be knowledgeable about dealing with the upkeep of your home and will have the entirety of the gear expected to do as such. This can really set aside you cash since you won't need to buy this hardware for your home. Clearly, having a spotless home is critical when you have visitors visiting you. You don't need somebody to consider you a squalid or sloppy individual, which can happen when your house isn't cleaned appropriately. Additionally, if this is the first occasion when somebody has visited you, it can make a dreadful early introduction. A perfect climate ponders legitimately your character. There are a few interesting points while recruiting a group or person that can support you. To begin with, you need to think about costs of cleaners in your general vicinity. Most organizations will have an illustration of their evaluating alternatives on their site, which can make this examination a simple cycle. Every individual will have an alternate spending that they can bear, yet you will need to discover an organization that offers the most administrations at a cost you can manage. Something different you will need to consider is the thing that sorts of synthetic compounds the cleaners use on your home. Clearly, harsher synthetics can be risky to you and your family, which is something you might need to raise when you are picking your group. You will likewise need to examine with the organization straightforwardly about the recurrence of their visits and in the event that you can modify how regularly they clean your home. On the off chance that you are recruiting them for a one-time use, for example, moving in or out of a home, you will need to ensure that they offer single administrations or on the off chance that you need to pursue a specific measure of time. Thank you for watching.